Welcome, 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 welcome. This is custom suit unboxing number 2. This is the second suit that I've had made, had specially tailored, had custom tailored for moi. Before I decide which tailor that I want to work with and partner with long term as far as the future of Legacy Lapels goes, which is my new custom suit company. At that point, after I unbox this suit, try it on, give you my feedback, at that point I will allow others to do the same. Small group of men that I know, that I trust, and that I know that appreciate a good suit. I'll let them give me feedback and see if it's really someone that I want to work with long term, because the goal of Legacy Lapels is to provide good quality suits that make men feel good and ultimately look good at the same time. So like I said, I'm excited about this new one I got in because it's something special about this one, and it's a reason I did this, and I'll explain to you at the end of this video after I try it on and tell you more about the vision of my company, the vision of the brand, the mission statement, and what I stand for, what I stand against. But it's the reason I went with this color. And like I said last time, it's a color that I've never owned. I don't see too many people that own this color suit, and it's the reason behind it. It's always a method behind my madness. So let's get to it. Now, it did arrive DHL again. Like I said, your suit will probably arrive DHL, FedEx, UPS. But what's different about this one compared to the other one is it does not have the custom men's box. Like I said, once I launch, I'll have my own branding, I'll have my own packaging. But this is just still pre-launch, and we're still ironing things out on the back end. I'm gonna go grab some scissors again to open this up, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. That was quick. So let's get this rolling. One of the first things that I love about this suit is that it is purple. And the reason I went with this color, this purple suit, I'll explain in detail towards the end of the video, but I like it. I like it. Nice wool. Now the difference between this one and the other one is this one is a 100% merino wool. It's pretty soft, it's very fine, and sometimes it's very expensive. It still has the 4 fully functional buttons, just like last time. I went again with the wide peak lapel because that's just something I love. My wedding tux was like that. I have some other suits that has that wide peak lapel. It has the stitching around the outside. That's a telltale sign of a good suit, whether you have the, let's see the stitching along the lapel. Stitching along the lapel, sometimes it's a very telltale sign of a nicely made suit. Again, I went with the left chest pocket. 2 buttons. You will have the option to choose how many buttons you want, whether you want double-breasted, whether you want 3 buttons, whether you want 4, whether you want 1. It's all up to you. I like the 2-button look. It's more classic and fits my build, fits my body type a little bit better. One with two pockets. 2 pockets here. I didn't get the Italian style pockets like on the last one. The difference between these and the other one is the other one has a slight slant to the pockets. This one, they're just kind of straight across parallel to the bottom of the suit. But I went with straight across just to switch it up this time. It's totally up to you, totally up to me in this case. So I just did that. One of the things that I take into account is how wrinkled is it when it comes out of the package. This one is fairly good to go, honestly. If I wanted to put it on right now and wear it, I could. If not, of course, put a little steam to it, hang it up in the shower for a few minutes and knock those wrinkles right out. That's a telltale sign of some good wool too. When you just hang it up in the shower, put some steam to it and knock it right on out of there. I'm anxious to try this thing on. So let's try it on. That's the last step. I'll be back. Peace. So here it is. Yes, it is purple, like I said, but it's not Barney purple. It's it's more of a deep plum purple. But as you can tell, man, nicely tailored, nicely contoured, streamlined, nice and sleek. The light is reflecting off of it, so it gives it a nice, not too overbearing shine. Nicely slim all the way down to my ankles. No break at the tip of the shoes, at the top of the shoes. The waist fits me perfect all the way around. If I had on a belt, I wouldn't even have to tighten it at all. These pants would stay up all night without a belt. I love that. But of course you want to put a belt on when you have your suit. Just make sure it matches your shoes. I love the inside of the jacket. I went with the type of orange, sunset golden color. Nice little pop against the purple. And of course, custom made for R Smothers. I didn't put Ramon, I put R this time just to switch it up. You will have the option to put whatever it is that you want inside of your suit. That threading is of course the same color as your inside lining, as the inside silk lining that you have. I went again with the wide peak lapels. You can choose from a notch lapel, a shawl lapel, a narrow peak lapel, or a wide peak lapel, whatever it is that you want to choose. But I like the wide peak lapel, so that's what I went with. That's again 2 buttons, only button 1 at the top. Nice 100% merino wool, again, four fully functional buttons, and I like the contour on the arms and around my biceps. Nice drop on the wrist, 1 inch above my shirt, and of course the back. Let's take a look at the back, man. Contoured, it shows the width of my back, and then it contours onto my waist, down to my hips. The length of the jacket is perfect, drops right below my butt, like you would want it to. And of course, going down to the pants, nice fit down to the pants, nice slim, tailored look, sleek look down to the top of the shoes. Arm test, quick arm test. See how that feels. You can see that it's that I'm able to raise my arms. It's not too tight around my shoulders. And that's what you want to look for when you put your suit on. You don't want it to be too tight to where you can't move all night. You do like some flexibility, and that lets you know that you have a good quality fabric and a nicely built suit. Again, the side view, nice, sleek, all the way down to my shoes. So this is the overall look. Man, I'm happy about it. I'm going to have a nice decision to make. So let me know which one you like best in the comments. Man, so, it's going to be a tough choice. I like both suits for multiple reasons, but I like this one because it fit me a lot better than the other one. And the other one was a perfect fit as well, but this one really took the cake. It's more contoured, it's more slimline. Everything fits me a little snug. Aside from the color, which is bold and purple. And I guess since we're on the color, man, this is what I want to, this is why I chose the purple color. Because the message behind Legacy Lapels is this: we're creating suits for the bold, innovative men who dream in style. This isn't your normal 9 to 5 suits. This is for the men that want to make a statement. This is for the men that don't want to blend in, but instead they want to stand out. I want you to remember that it's not about the suit. Yes, Legacy Lapels, we sell bold and custom suits, but it's not about the suit. It's about the man in the suit. And we want to empower that man, whether it makes you feel good, whether it makes you look good. Because an empowered man changes the world. An empowered man becomes a better father. An empowered man is a better husband. An empowered man is a better leader. And that's what Legacy Lapel stands for. It's not about the suit. It's about that man in the suit. And however that man feels, whether it's a burst of confidence, whether it's compliments, whether it's feeling good, whether it's relieve some stress when he puts on a suit. The first time I put on a suit, man, I felt on top of the world. I did. And I didn't want to take it off. I couldn't wait to get another one and go somewhere where I was required to wear a suit just so that I can put it on again. You get what I'm saying? And so however you feel when you put on a suit, whether it's creative, whether you're inspired, I want you to feel empowered. Because like I said, an empowered man changes the world. Your suit can be blue, your suit can be green, your suit can be yellow. It's never about the suit. It's about the man in the suit. It just so happens that it fits perfectly. And it's some high quality wool. I have a tough decision to make. Drop in the comments underneath this video, what do you think? Do you remember custom suit number 1? What do you think about custom suit number 2? Do you like the color? Do you like the fit? Do you like the design? Imagine yourself in this suit. How would putting on a suit like this make you feel? Answer it in the comments. Let's talk. But subscribe at the legacylapels.com. I'll be documenting, I'll be blogging, I'll be updating those on the email list about the launch, about future discounts. And right now, if you subscribe, you can enter to win $100 off of your first custom suit. So that's a big plus. And I'll also be educating people on how to start an e-commerce business. If you want to jump into e-commerce, how I was able to decide, how I chose my logos, my branding, my packaging. Just depends on how detailed I want to go. But I mean, I still want to educate and I still want to empower at the same time. So it's about legacy. Living my legacy, live your legacy. And we're empowering men at Legacy Lapels. I'm excited about this launch. So let's get it going. Peace.